ultimate survival guide. The relentless desert sun beats down on an endless expanse of sand and rock, creating a harsh and unforgiving environment. Survival here demands skill, knowledge, and unwavering determination. Desert survival skills are crucial for anyone venturing into these arid landscapes. Knowing how to find essential resources can mean the difference between life and death. Finding water is paramount. Look for clues in the vegetation, dig near dried riverbeds, or beneath large rocks where moisture might be trapped, and always stay vigilant. Constructing a shelter from natural materials provides much-needed shade. Use branches, leaves, and rocks to create a structure that shields you from the intense heat and cold nights. Staying covered is vital to prevent heat exhaustion. Wear loose, light-colored clothing and a wide-brimmed hat to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Wearing the right clothing is crucial in the desert. Loose, light-colored fabrics reflect sunlight and promote air circulation, keeping you cool while protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Tracking wildlife can provide essential food sources. Look for animal tracks near water sources or shaded areas. Understanding animal behavior helps in predicting their movements and increases your chances of successful hunting. Knowing which plants are edible can save your life. Cacti like prickly pear and other succulents store water and nutrients. Always ensure proper identification to avoid toxic plants. Starting a fire in the desert can be challenging but crucial. Use dry brush, flint, or a magnifying glass with sunlight. Fire provides warmth at night, cooking ability, and a signal for help. Navigating by stars is a timeless technique. Locate the North Star to maintain your direction. Understanding constellations can guide you through the vast desert landscape, ensuring you stay on course. Navigating during the day relies heavily on recognizing and remembering landmarks. Observing unique rock formations, distant mountains, or distinct vegetation patterns can guide you and help maintain your sense of direction. Basic first aid knowledge is crucial for desert survival. Treat sunburns promptly by covering the affected area, staying hydrated, and seeking shade. For dehydration, drink water slowly and consistently. Signaling for help can be life-saving. Use mirrors to reflect sunlight, creating a visible signal. Building a smoky fire or arranging rocks in an SOS pattern can also attract attention from rescuers. Rationing resources wisely can make a significant difference. Consume small amounts of food and water at regular intervals to maintain energy levels and prevent rapid depletion of your supplies. Mental resilience is key to enduring harsh conditions. Stay calm, maintain a positive mindset, and focus on small, achievable goals. This mental strength can significantly improve your chances of survival. In the harsh desert environment, avoiding dangerous wildlife is critical. Learn to recognize tracks and signs of predators. Stay alert, make noise to avoid surprise encounters, and always travel in groups. To protect against desert insects, use natural repellents and cover exposed skin. Create barriers using clothing and materials at hand. Stay vigilant, especially during dawn and dusk when insects are most active. If caught in a sandstorm, immediately seek shelter or create a makeshift barrier. Cover your nose and mouth with a cloth to filter out sand. Keep calm and wait it out. Surviving as a group requires coordination and teamwork. Assign specific roles to each member. Share resources efficiently and always communicate effectively to ensure everyone's safety and well-being. Preparedness is key. Practice these skills regularly. Educate yourself continuously, stay informed about the environment, and always have an emergency plan. Your safety and survival depend on it.